Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Plug the cast dongle into HDMI and power it, then make sure the laptop is on the same Wi-Fi network as the cast. Once done, enable network discovery and Bluetooth on your laptop so it can find devices quickly. You should also update the operating system and the casting app to avoid compatibility gaps. These steps prevent connection hangs and speed discovery, because out-of-date drivers or mismatched networks are the most common blockers. Next, open your browser or casting app and choose the cast or project function. In Chrome, use the three-dot menu. You select the cast device name shown earlier and decide whether to cast a tab, the entire desktop, or a single media file. Make sure to check the audio output. Select the cast device if prompted, because video without sound is a common oversight. If prompted for permissions, accept them. This lets the laptop send video and audio streams securely to the cast device. To finish, confirm playback on the external display and adjust resolution or scaling in the laptop's display settings so text and menus fit properly. If video lags or drops, stop casting and restart it. If that fails, reboot the cast device and the laptop. For persistent issues, move devices closer to the router or switch to 5 GHz or wired Ethernet for lower latency. One key troubleshooting tip: if discovery fails, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the laptop and retry. That often clears stale device listings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.